kuba mu cruise.
Right no muntu akunda kukorana n'abeshongo z'aba talented. Yani mpamya ngo talented nakora niwe.
Because in a Reggie, is there an artist talk about maybe I can try on a lady, maybe I can try on this one, maybe this one is good enough. People like also in a talent have Omega 256, have Jojo Bana, have people like Bona Bariyoko Bona. Is there anyone who I'm looking forward to this who basakura now, not because they are big enough kujango bakuchera, but ninga kujirangu. Now you need to work on them. Ninga atia.
Right now, no. Right now, in kuanza kwenda kukora, but I would prefer working with a female now because in Western we have a few ladies, but they are doing good.
Alright, it's Ankole Media TV. I'm also with the Sparks in one savage on it. Yes, kana kaburi juno chumanya nono kurecha man subscribinga, sharinga, likinga, commentinga, whatever you're doing, supporting Ankole Media, we don't take it for granted. Bit kanda andi mbini hanu muntu enu mumbuza, the one and only field marshal Megaton. Ejiri kundu yabasoka. Ejiravu yabasoka, ye inde kantebe ninye striker. Otatagura mashuka, ye impalavu niwe doctor, yo. Tinyanda ndizo mwana wabandi obonire ori tumachi mwenu tutekwa tuhandiche papura baby history. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is right off from King's Music Empire, so not so
King's Music Empire, yeah
King's Music Empire. So Megatone, right now you are one of the people who on the biggest trend. Like, how does it feel for you? And then it's like throwing them back to your years back then in Miaki Kome Yoizero Ministry. How was it starting up? Kandi
chikachi tangu ikane chindi improvements ni nyingi munonga from 2014 now to 2024.
2014
nkija 2014.
It's a long time ago. Manya una biendo go wire nkani ko P7.
Hatu ko P7 yongani ni nyirwendongo. So hati noreba those are 10 years noreba ngu tukozire improvement ya man. So wakore music yetu akozire back then and right now technology kahinduka, borders zahinduka zo crossinga. So mbwe noreba ngu we have done a lot of big improvements at Western music.
Then talked about those big improvements. Okay, then you reached at a point and then you went silent. There was some break gatao kurgo wiro buto aheruchire kuraninga shwa body yasin like how you are today. Sahato wiro bwa hati ya utuzire kureba now on Western Uganda's biggest song so far. Why was there that break before we dive into the song now?
Akarho issues na management inavendu by then. Management ejo kija yafunamu other businesses yabe ne kwasaganya za time ejo yo ka music keta jine kandi nashanga ngo nyowe music nkumurimo gwanje nugwetaga 100% of my time almost. Obwire obunabire abantu batakumpura mnonga, it is not easy because I started like from the drawing board, kaza drawing board na tanchiraho kuza kwika gisaheja chishonge cha forever. Harebye shongere biziraho noha mubwine embera zazina ibintu bindi bishongoro kabikora ndi management yanje ndikujezo kuruka because ati ejesha I have the biggest song from that King's Music Empire right now.
So talking about being being solo, kuyoko rich into echo, how is it echi into chine muzo? Because nyamangu echi nechi ntecha bana binjo bakutina kusanga mwana na amating in a talent, but they start counting on some other parties kujangu maybe there should be a manager supporting. How has it been for you riding alone and today we see you here?
Nkokina gambira na mare myaka 10 years now ndukora music. Myaka eji 10 I have friends, I have connections, I have gigs ezikubasa kunshashura nimbaso kwekora audio na video kanda hinkuremerwa. My friends can support me. Ekitari besongo zabanda bakutandika because otaka
social
nabakwikiriza mbabara bache bamba maya maybe you're just uri umuzano konkati omuntu yayigize yarebaho, it is easier for someone to support you. So abeshongoza bato they need management kuba ebimwe tubakubasa kubyekorera because of certain issues, kandi abatakwetaga management they can build their own management if they have a capital or any form of support nacho nchibabasha konga. But for me nkali nimbaso kukora some of the things if manager kubasa kukora, meanwhile kutegereza something bigger. So that is it is not easy konka n'ekintu ekimbasize kurwana nacho kubahereza good music.
And now let's talk about arabantu abo wakoze nabo in the back then kusya obuyizire kwekora management yawe then okakaho galchire ningashaho galchira sin. So those people it's so I think it's so ironic kurango boto bachira hasini jangu abwira amata yabachoro. I think you are one of the fewest people standing abandu bakazangaye
abamwe bakazo mu business zabo zimwe zintakumanya, abamwe tinka kubiyangu nimanya hibari because tukaturi binjoho konka nyo personally nkakora ndi kubelieving ngu I'm a musician, so njeri ndi omweshongozi and I have my dreams in ku achievinga nyo ku giving up is not an option. I don't need to give up at all. Negumiza muna career yanje kandi ikintu kinkora ni nkikunda and I've managed nibimbasize kureberaho nkareba ngo ebintu kinembasize kubyachievinga nimbaso kwa achieving ebinjo nanta giving up. So abamwe basa kuba batarakirebera mu kujya ngo muramwa, but me nkanye nindeba ngo I'm a musician who is not supposed to give up. That's why
remeraho kareme kuzi onjo cyo kureba chonka maybe
okuremeraho na no kuba focused no baso kufuna ibyo kwetaga mu music. So kakuje byija byakushakingamo wabirgaho, that is the end.
So now hija aba bandu basigara ukwe, then there was some silent and then boom, before we know it Forever featuring Reggie. Reggie is one of the artists abakugomerwa kuba approached in such hours. Like how was it you and him? Yes, we know you and Reggie, you've been on the same journeys maybe murjire kumwe nyuma nabasa kuteka mu that respect ningashini no muhereza respect for that na wakuhereza that mutual respect. How was it you guys linking up and how did you come to this?
Reggie tukakoreche shongolo cha orahi abantu bachukunda mnonga, so atejeshaha it was a carry continuation kanda kuba akaba ine chakundebam na ine sinkumurebam kandi style zitu zikubrandinga kurunji zikwatagana kurunji, so tukasharaho kugira ngo tweto wasize gukora kiriya we can do a bigger song. Iranka chimuga management, now we are going to do a bigger song than the other one era nchochibiro. So he believed in me and I also believed in him that we can do good music together.
So now you are not the people, the biggest song you had back then which was in a Reggie. Today the biggest song you have apparently by Reggie. What's the magic between you two guys? When you just get your call and actually hit. Then the other time I had someone who could Reggie over work nawe ngu naijabura ha scene English they sometimes don't get good enough. Why have you opposed that law?
No, ati nyondi omuntu think basa ku blaming omuntu wena habwe bintu bikumpikaho. I've tishikanyira gambongo. I never blame anyone for either misfortunes or my fortunes. Nyoni ntekatekangu Reggie ya playing a party ye tine kumwe kwa sombindi. That is it. Kande chindi nyona Reggie nyonkanye ninkunda style ye ninkunda R&B munonga. Ninkunda style ya R&B but ninkora dancehall music. So style ye neshemeza, so kandi echakuza kukora mu studio nana akimanya nanyo kinkuza kukora mu studio nimba nikimanya. So we are two artists who are focused chukure nharugame cheshongoro kirungi. Reggie is very talented kandi nawe nanchiriza munamanya ngo I can give out my best. So that's why nukureba tukora good work because music owitu ni business kandi ntwaturi serious.
Then now abwencha abantu baremerwe kumuhika in that manner abandi abishongozi umwana agira ati I'm dying to work with that guy. Like now what is abwenchi bo bakomara bakaremwa someone or kuba mu close.
Reggie no muntu akunda gukorana n'abeshongozi aba talented. Nyani mpamya ngo uri talented nakora niwe. Kandi mpamya ngo yana kureba mu ekintu kikubasa kujesha ihindura wambera kiri okay.
Does that mean kugira ngo Reggie apparently of late akoze nabeshongozi bache munonga it's you, it's 256, it's Omega. Does that mean kugira ngo abantu bona they are not good enough?
Maybe abamwetu bakamwikirire ninga timetable yete kamwikirize gukora n'abandi konke kindi kumanya naje gukora nabo. Abarabase kumwikirira ninga barabase exporting abakure basokore kintu hamwe naje gukora nabo. But at the moment nta rhenshonga nkezo umwe na ine music yakwenda kubanza kushoza ningo mushanga wakaneri nyingi.
So talking about abali capable, who are those people kujoti mu industry yesi ahumbire ndi abunde ebire ninga shit today, like this guy and this guy, like they are worth it?
Abana bingi ba talented home west, very many actually abeshonga bingi. They are talented and they can do good music. Omega, Truth, Ambro is a good guy. Nanaba mwe bariomba promising Robros. Tina wana bindi bavare, they are doing good music. Just a chamani. Tine kuba focus twena nkabeshongozi babarenje bwizoba, and then we kuba if we make this industry bigger, nitwe turafunemu na nabantu bitu na other people they will gain more kusinga nkokukora ki kokukira hati. So it's just a matter of being focused.
Then now to the making of Forever, how was it? Audio by
audio tukajikora na Bruno Alpha Music, video tukajikora na Keron, yeah,
it is a big project.
It's a big project. Keron FX.
Why was it? Why did you go for Bruno? Because Bruno no muntu amazira kire na Bruno atache kwatara production. Like how was it you guys linking up with him?
It went chimanya bakozerona Bruno ngo he's a good producer. Omuntu arakozerona Bruno na mangu he's a good producer. Na basuku delivering ekintu kiri perfect. So tutine doubt yono Bruno. So that's why we had to go and work with him. We don't doubt him at all. He's a good producer and we believed kandi ya delivering.
Lena hija ho hakija habaho ashitwasa kweta the Rage azawisaga tingumanya. Were you there?
I was around.
What really?
Nkantara heavy aberiro konka was around town. So
what really went down?
Nothing, just it is something that I mean to mbibaho. Those things happen. Konka, the good thing is that as big artists, they always find a way to solve them. So nkasemera mnonga kushanga ngo bakasitama bachimaririza as mature people kandi obiro bwinji ba fans mbe bateganisa magambe cyakwenda buri makore cyakwenda buri mateka cyakwenda. But at the end of the day, you two artists mbamwine kumanya what to
But iwenkiwe kajire, let's say it was you, then azawi yakusanga stage ninga shi ni oriyo kuza stage, how would you handle such wenko kuchabiro chona, how would you handle such a situation? Would you do what Reggie did? Is there any different approach you would?
No. What Reggie did was okay.
So ni wachocho wakoze
uriya no mukazi iwakare na mutera
namutire but then akamuruma ine cyber
ine byabe na mugambira imwe mukareba ngo ine bakari nkako murumba but ine byabe na mugambira maybe akana mjati it is okay mariza kweshongoraniza kwijanye shongore imwe mu mwachikwata mukubi.
Is that what he really meant?
To me,
That's kuyamazire. Like, would you now if it becomes your turn okaza okajuroti eche batwara cyachigwire, would you speak like all that shit about it? Ninga you would just go silent ojoti echo kanchi yebwe ninga shi
nchokore na kuja ntinkantara hasi ne henyini konka.
I'm saying if it was you,
if it was me has a if as we confronted Rage, that is bad. But kabiro just misunderstanding ngombi into your performance nkaho nachi time nachi I think it is okay. You just have acted like the way you acted.
So ngona uza kora Rage yakoze.
It is okay. Like taramutire tararwanire tarayombere just akaenda ku expressing awenka we chambire we chintaru kumanya. So at the end of the day chikachita kubimunonga because they solved it.
And then does that play a big part? Because this is about impact yecho. Does that play a big part in your song? Kujango chishongo chanyu chikatrending. Echo nchiplaying part yona. Ejo saga in effect ya atira chishongoro change cha forever.
Maybe konka at the end of the day our song is good. Chishongo chitu chiboni.
It's nice, I'm not.
Chibonire nacho chikachi ne kora because nazawa inebye shongoro bsi. But have they trended like forever now? It is not the Azawi saga. The song itself is good. Kubana Azawa inebye shongoro bsi. Akabe na trending na weche.
But now then nyawe HDR challenges kiza hobwanyuma ninga in that same period ya hamara kudo that effect abanyankore tankujanga abana atakujanga isabanyankore ninga shi hatanga kubaho that scandal, then hija habo effect ya mani supporting Western Ugandan music, and then that gave birth to, before we knew it, abana they were doing challenges all over the place. Does that play a big part in it?
It is not all about Baganda, Banyankore, Wachino, Banyankore can sing.
I'm saying what was on the internet, not what it should be.
The internet came the song came in. Echisongo chikija, ebibyonna biroho, but abantu kubaje kusanga bashanga the song is good, but kora challenges, and everyone nana Baganda they jumped on the song because it is not a battle, it is about good music.
So talking about the challenges now, fast forward, challenges abana nabazukoro verse ya Rage, and most of them, does that ever make you feel like you're losing ownership of the song?
It is not losing ownership. Niwe
tuzano mbara na baguruka verse abara ba DJ na baguruka verse yabo baterea Rage. How does that feel with you? Is it okay?
No, tine DJ kwasa guruka asiwe chesongo kachitancha rwagati.
But that's what they do.
They just repeat. They just
me I've been in such background kweka nateka because echeshongo tubakistero mbara nkuchwe just nana nagamu just a single bit of it, then agakateka mechindi
ati tuija haitwaija kutwantija twashanga echeshongo onchiga.
It was playing here, but I'm also nangoni gambara who abiro tari.
No, me I've been the DJs, some of them send me the clips. I've seen what they do. So DJ tine DJ are professional musomo arata nchire cheshongo rwagati the song mbachitandika kutandika washireba when it reaches Rage's part they can repeat it.
So does that anyway okuchara bichi chona, does that ever make you feel like you're losing credit?
It is not losing credit. Rage did what I expected from him. Nkanye ndante reverse nonji, that's why I worked with him. Nkanye ndante reverse nonji ajitera. At the end of the day, the song is mine, and the song is enjoyed by our fans. Kuruna kozena Rage akatera verse ya storo kashanga batakubasa no playing anywhere. I would lose.
So now to say still the same issue. Abeshongozi umwana zata abeshongozi ba Western Uganda, that was JK's 2049 and zati abeshongoza Western Uganda tino wakoze challenge ya forever. Do you have any issues with that?
No, it is very fine. Nyinabeshongoza zabina arebera because the challenges konka batarazi. But it is okay. It is okay. Buri umwine right here yekora challenge ninga kutajikora abarukunda supporting music ya Western in that heart they will do the challenges. Kandi maybe na nomuntu naso kugamba ati nkora challenge ugikore nyenyo wizo kandi nkora challenge nimba so kugikora wachireba konka it is really fine. It is really fine because at the end of the day nabo bini byabe bakufocusinga.
And then now to the song distribution which song forever eri when it comes to iTunes, to Apple Music, Audiomack, stuff like that, YouTube, chilia ananka zawe zonga. Why not Reggie? Does that mean that the song nature way 100%? Did you buy all the all the loyalties zeche shongoro zkwizera one zawe? That is Reggie not fully part of it? How is it?
No, the song is mine. I have all the rights 100%.
Okay.
Just I nkasaba Reggie to future.
Abantu bakumanya the difference between featuring and then being part of, like
the song, it is Megaton featuring. It means echesongo ne chanje nka featuring aho, like nkashaboria ijakorechi achizem. So
ejo niyo meaning ya cho featuring ngoro kwa amero. So ninjera ko mwaka chenga, the music lecture is here.
So wiro winji ato umuntu kakuja Megaton and Reggie chimansa ngunechito babiri. When I say Megaton featuring, nansa inuna yetakorechi. That is the difference. The song is mine. Chiria channel zanje, copyright zona, rights zona nyenzine, but at the end of the day, me and Reggie worked on the song. It is also his. Na when cheye, but na kuja ngwareche bakweta rights. So yeah. So but it is also his song.
He's free to perform it from anywhere.
I asked him to perform it because it is our song.
The other day, then the whole crowd went like crazy.
Please always perform the song. It is our song.
Yes. Then we talk about is there any artist so far who could na Reggie? Is there an artist who could maybe I can try on a lady, maybe I can try on this one, maybe this one is good enough? People like goes to in a talent have Omega 256, have Jojo Bana, have people like Bona Barioko Bona. Is there anyone who I'm looking forward to this now, not because they are big enough for Jango Bakuchera, but Ninga Kujerangu. Now you need to work on them. Ninga Atia.
Right now, no. Right now, but I would prefer working with a female now, because in Western we have a few ladies, but they are doing good.
Yeah, people like Omega, people like Posha, people like Jojo Bana.
We have Omega, Posha, Jojo Bana. Sister Charity is still doing good. With time, I think I will work with one of those.
That's good. That's good.
We shall work together, because I want to work with a female at the moment, because they are also doing good music.
So before I let you go, is there like now Forever is here, it's hitting. What's the next step?
The next step, next month I will release maybe I will release another song, but I still have very many songs to release. Just Forever, but kubaha good music and issue.
Ladies and gentlemen, watch out for Megaton episode 2. So now to your fans.
Big up on yourself, Team Megaton. Na umrebi wa NKORE Media. Forever video featuring a Reggie chashohire za YouTube. Take 'em Forever by Megaton and Reggie. You iza kuchireba video, you watch, subscribe, and you wait for more music from Megaton. And thank you for supporting Western Uganda's music and our music at large. So mtaka era chira, we are cooking so much for you.
So should they expect anything like to be celebrated, stuff like that? Maybe you think about your concert soon?
Concert I'm still planning. Children planning, but soon. Zakubahereza concert for my top fans and friends.
So that's good of Megaton. Megaton, it was nice catching up with you.
All right.
And anything new, then we shall be bringing you here. Abantu Brothers Parks na bagina savage camera kabuliju NKORE Media TV yomwena orukwetaga music distribution nyomwe songozi nonde chisongo cha bachiteka opportunities ndachukusha songo cha onyangu churugwe bakusasure basa kutufichirira we are super promotions. Yes, ijanu ya NKORE Media tujya haji kwa Go Plaza yana amanda kusoro mu tax park baza kuba gamba na DM Swaga base kuma na all your music promotion and music distribution. Abantu Brothers Parks nkabuliju na bagina savage camera see you when you see us.